morning all. Today is the first lecture on telemetry principles. I am Mr. Salim, Assistant Professor in Electronics and Instrumentation Department, Kite Group of Institutions. Telemetry, basically, it is the branch of science which deals with measurement at a distance. Telemetry is a combination of two words. First, tele plus metron. Tele means remote and metron means measurement. So, telemetry combined means measurement at remote or measurement at a distance. So, here are some definitions. Telemetry is a science of measuring at a distance. It is one of the definition I discussed. The process of recording and transmitting the readings of an instrument. This definition is taken from dictionary. Here is the another definition from Wikipedia. Telemetry is the collection of measurements or other data at remote or inaccessible points and their automatic transmission to the receiving equipment for monitoring. Another definition I already discussed. It is a combination of tele plus metron, means measurement at a distance or measurement at remote. Here is the steps involved in telemetry systems. First, converting the measured quantity to a signal. Here measured quantity may be temperature, pressure, flow, current, humidity or any other sense or any other signal. Then second step is transmission of that signal through a proper channel. Channel may be wired channel or wireless. Third step is reconversion of actual signal which we grab for analyzing, recording and further communications. Here is the block diagram of telemetry system. First, measurand. Measurand I already discussed. It may be temperature, pressure, flow. Let it is temperature. Then sensing element may be transducer or a sensor, which like in for the temperature it is maybe thermocouple, it may be thermistor, which can sense our temperature. Then it transmit our signal. There is a transmitter. It includes antenna, signal conditioning equipments. Then there is a channel through which we transmit our signal. It is wired or wireless. It includes landline telemetry or wireless telemetry. Like there are some examples. Like landline telemetry we require wires. Like optical fiber telemetry is a landline telemetry, and wireless telemetry is like satellite telemetry. It is an example of wireless telemetry. Then we have a receiver. It also includes signal conditioners, filters and antennas, receiving antennas. Then our end device, it includes recorders, display devices, etc. Then here is the need of telemetry. What is the need of telemetry? First, for the measurement at a distant location or distance location. Second, inaccessibility of measurement means the observer cannot reach at the location of measurement. It is inaccessible to the observer. So, in modern measurement systems, the various components comprising the systems are usually located at a distance from each other. Therefore, it becomes necessary to transmit the data or an information between them through some form of communication channel. The transmission of a measured the transmission of a measured variable to a remote point is an important function in instrumentation system because of the size and complexity of modern industrial plants. The most common variables encountered in industrial plants are temperature, pressure, flow, current, voltage, volume, humidity, power, etc. Here are the some types of telemetry system. First, according to the energy medium. First is pneumatic telemetry, in which air is used for the transmission. Then electrical telemetry. In this we can use current, voltage, etc. Then hydraulic telemetry. In this we use liquid for the transmission. Then according to electrical telemetry system, it is divided into three parts. First, current telemetry, voltage telemetry, pulse telemetry. In all the three, the mode of transmission may be same, but the variable is different. Like in the current telemetry, current will flow. In the voltage telemetry, voltage will flow, and in the pulse telemetry, pulse will flow. And according to signal type, signal may be digital or analog telemetry and digital telemetry. There is another type also exists, wireless telemetry and wired telemetry. Wired telemetry, in which we require wires. Optical fiber telemetry is the example of wired telemetry or landline telemetry. Wireless telemetry is in which we do not require any wires for the communication. Satellite telemetry is the best example of wireless telemetry. So, during this COVID-19 period, like we have to save our doctors, so we develop a robot which can transmit data from the patient to the doctor, and this robot have so many features, like it can measure temperature, it can measure pulses, it can measure physical condition of the patient, and it also communicate through voice command and video commands. So we use telemetry in this system. So biomedical telemetry has a very important role during this COVID-19 period. Thank you.